How to type alternate characters from your keyboard in Windows 11. To type the alternate character on a key, press the right Alt key and the desired key. Note, different keyboard layouts have different alternate characters. Please examine your keyboard to see what alternate characters are available. Your computer might also have multiple keyboard language layouts available. From your desktop, search for and open Language Settings. Next to the desired language, select the three dots and choose Language Options. Select Add a Keyboard button in the Installed Keyboards tile and select a layout from the list. You can remove an installed keyboard by selecting the three dots next to the installed keyboard and choosing Remove. To swap between installed keyboards, select the keyboard language icon on the taskbar to the left of the icons and select your desired keyboard. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.